Welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today I'm going to add on to what I showed in the last video about split screening. So if you haven't seen the split screen video, go ahead and watch that one first. So what I'm going to show you is how to use shapes to mask pictures. Super easy and super fun. So here we go. So what I'm going to do is first I need to be able to split screen. So I'm going to swipe up slowly from the bottom and let's bring up Chrome. Okay, so for example, what I could do is maybe I'm going to bring up a picture of a woman. And maybe I'm using this to show characterization. And so I know that this woman is a baker. So maybe I'm going to do bread and search. So from this book, maybe I'm trying to show that this character was a baker. I'm going to use this picture right here of the rolls. Make her smaller. I'm going to take the picture and drag it over. If I let go of it right here, it's going to be the picture. But if I bring it over the shape and let go, and maybe I want her to be like this. When I press done, now it has masked that picture inside of that shape. So let's add another shape. Maybe the other character is a man. And maybe this man is a firefighter. So I'm going to type in fire. And then inside of images, we're going to use, let's use this picture. So again, touch the picture, drag it over on top of the man and let go. I can move the picture over, and then when I click done, there we go. So let me show you something that I might use this for example, in social studies. So right here, I've already started this one. I have all of the states. Now, right now, they're all grouped together. This is one of the shapes that can be broken apart. So if I touch this and go up to the paintbrush, if I ungroup this, each of those states is now an individual state. So now what I've done is you can see I've put the state flower in each of the states. So let's go to Nevada, flower. When I click go, here's a picture of the Nevada flower. So I can just click it, drag it over Nevada. Maybe I want that picture to be a little bit smaller. Done. So the kids could now be using these states and adding the state flowers, or maybe the #1 commodity that comes from that state, or anything that kind of shows what's important about each of those states. So you could do this for many different ideas of just dragging that picture over the shape and it masks it immediately. Hope that was helpful. Thank you.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.